Ever tried hosting a cozy Korean barbecue night at home only to end up with smoke everywhere, half-cooked meat, and way too many pans taking over your kitchen? If you've ever wished you could have restaurant-style hot pot and grill in one setup without the chaos, this is exactly the kind of product that changes that experience. Today we're looking at the Food Party 2-in-1 electric smokeless grill and hot pot, a combo designed for people who want easy, social cooking without turning their kitchen into a disaster zone. From weekend hangouts to family dinners, this unit is built for anyone who loves sharing meals but doesn't want the hassle of multiple appliances. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. What makes it interesting is how it brings both a grill and a hot pot together in a single compact setup, aiming to recreate that restaurant-at-home feeling in a much simpler way. At first glance, it has a clean, practical design that feels more functional than flashy. The grill plate sits neatly beside the hot pot section, and both are built into a single base that doesn't take up as much space as you'd expect. The materials feel sturdy enough for regular use, and while it's not trying to be a premium stainless steel showpiece, it does feel solid in a way that matters when you're cooking for a group. The surface heats evenly, and the layout makes it easy to switch between grilling meat and simmering broth without constantly adjusting your setup. This is where the Food Party combo actually earns its place on the counter. In real use, the heating is fast and surprisingly consistent, so you're not standing around waiting for things to cook. The hot pot maintains a steady simmer, which is perfect for everything from noodles to dumplings, while the grill handles meat and vegetables with that satisfying sear you'd expect from a tabletop barbecue. Noise levels are minimal, so it doesn't interrupt conversation, and cleanup is relatively straightforward since the surfaces are designed to be wiped down rather than scrubbed endlessly. It fits naturally into a relaxed evening with friends or family. One of the biggest advantages here is convenience. You get two cooking styles in one device, which instantly saves space and makes group meals more interactive. It also heats quickly and can handle small to medium gatherings without feeling underpowered. On the downside, it's not dishwasher-friendly, so cleanup still requires some manual effort. Also, when both the grill and hot pot run together, it draws higher power, which means older electrical setups might need a bit of caution. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to be aware of depending on your home setup. Compared to buying separate electric hot pots and standalone grills in the same price range, this combo stands out mainly for its simplicity. While separate units might give you slightly more specialized performance, they also take up more space and cost more overall. This unit leans toward practicality and shared experiences rather than perfection in one cooking style. If you're someone who hosts often or just enjoys interactive meals at home, it offers a better balance of value and convenience than most single-purpose alternatives. If you've been thinking about bringing that Korean barbecue or hot pot experience home without overcomplicating your kitchen, this is one of those simple upgrades that actually makes sense. It's not about being fancy, it's about making meals more social, easier, and more fun to put together. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. If this review helped, like the video, subscribe for more honest breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.